Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Supliful Dropshipping, a unique platform designed to simplify the dropshipping process. Supliful aims to provide a seamless experience for both merchants and customers by offering a multitude of features. Whether you're a small business owner, a budding entrepreneur, or an established e-commerce giant, Supliful Dropshipping might just be the solution you're looking for. Stay tuned as we delve into the key features, pricing, ideal use cases, advantages and disadvantages of this platform. Supliful Dropshipping boasts several key features. It offers automated order processing, allowing you to easily manage your business. Its product sourcing feature helps you find and import products from various suppliers. The platform also provides real-time inventory updates and order tracking, ensuring you're always aware of your stock levels and shipments. Supliful also has an integrated shipping calculator, making it easier to calculate shipping costs. Lastly, it offers a customizable storefront, giving you full control over your online shop's look and feel. Supliful Dropshipping offers three pricing tiers. The starter plan costs $29 per month, ideal for entrepreneurs who are just starting their journey. The professional plan at $79 per month is designed for growing businesses. It offers additional features like bulk order processing and premium support. Lastly, the advanced plan costs $129 per month, targeting large businesses with high volume sales. It includes all features and offers priority support. Supliful also offers a 14-day free trial for all plans, letting you test the waters before diving in. Supliful Dropshipping is ideal for various use cases. If you're a small business owner looking to expand your product range without holding physical inventory, Supliful is a great choice. It's also perfect for entrepreneurs looking to start a dropshipping business with minimal upfront investment. For established e-commerce businesses, Supliful can streamline operations, reduce manual tasks, and help scale your business. Finally, if you're an individual looking to start a side hustle, Supliful's user-friendly interface and automated features make it easy to get started. Supliful Dropshipping offers several advantages. Its automation features save time and reduce the risk of human error. The product sourcing feature provides access to a wide range of products from various suppliers. Real-time inventory updates prevent stockouts and overselling. The integrated shipping calculator eliminates guesswork and shipping costs. Customizable storefronts help create a unique brand identity. Lastly, the tiered pricing plans cater to businesses of all sizes, making it a versatile dropshipping solution. While Supliful Dropshipping has many benefits, it also has some limitations. The platform might be too costly for businesses with a tight budget. Also, despite its wide range of features, there might be a learning curve for non-tech savvy users. Another possible drawback is the lack of supplier vetting. While Supliful allows sourcing from various suppliers, it doesn't guarantee their reliability. Lastly, as with any dropshipping business, you'll have limited control over product quality and shipping, which can affect customer satisfaction. Supliful Dropshipping is an all-in-one solution that automates various aspects of the dropshipping process. Its key features include automated order processing, product sourcing, real-time inventory updates, and an integrated shipping calculator. It offers tiered pricing plans catering to different business sizes. While it has numerous advantages, potential limitations include cost, a learning curve for some users, and lack of control over suppliers. It's an ideal solution for anyone looking to start or scale their dropshipping business. In conclusion, Supliful Dropshipping is a comprehensive and feature-rich platform that can significantly streamline your dropshipping operations. It offers a wide range of features that automate tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on growing your business. While it has some potential drawbacks, its advantages and versatility make it a strong contender in the dropshipping market. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about dropshipping. Thank you for watching our in-depth analysis of Supliful dropshipping. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your decision-making process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for more and happy dropshipping.